You know, I had a series with Matthew Perry before Friends. Yeah, we had a series together. So, you know, it really, I know Matt LeBlanc. I mean, I knew Matt, you know, from running around Hollywood. We used to audition against a lot of the same roles together. And, you know, awesome. I knew, you know, he was struggling before, you know, landing that role on Friends. So literally it takes that one audition.
Yeah.
So I want to go back. When did you know that you wanted to be an actor?
So my parents have always been in the business. My parents do stunts in movies. And so they do stunt doubling, all that kind of stuff. So I was a kid, and I remember we were in France, I think, and they were leaving to do some shoots, and I think I asked if we could start doing acting and stuff, and we said, yeah, we can think about it. And then we went to Los Angeles for a while, and some of my friends did acting. I thought it would be so cool to do acting because my friends are doing it and my parents are already in the business, and it just started from then on. And my parents always said that they would feel so bad if they never gave me the chance of trying acting out. And you know, we just started doing it, all of us. We just started auditioning, and it turned out really well.
Yeah, so I got to tell you, you got pretty cool parents. You know,
Yeah.
I've had the pleasure to hang out with them. You know, we have, you know, as an actor myself, when I'm on sets and shooting a movie, I don't really hang out with the actors, you know, afterwards. I kind of hang out with the stunt people because they're more fun, they're cooler.
Yeah.
And, you know, one of my friends, who's my best friend, is Andy Dillon. And it was Andy's 50th birthday, and I met your parents, you know, in Cancun, Mexico, and hanging out with that crazy crew of stunt people, and it's like the circus came into town.
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun. You know, so I'm just curious. So your dad is tight wire?
He's a high wire walker. He started the high wire at this small circus camp in Vermont called Circus Smirkus. And he started at 14, and he's been doing it ever since. And he just invented a new thing called firewire. It's pretty much, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's the high wire on fire, and he walks across it, and he does a couple of tricks. He also rides the bike on it, and he's been doing it his whole life. And actually, he met my mom at Cirque du Soleil doing high wire. And yeah, my mom was a gymnast for 18 years, and they just met at Cirque du Soleil doing circus stuff.
Yeah. So I saw him on, was it America's Got Talent Extreme?
Yeah, American Got Talent Extreme. Actually, it's funny because it was awesome. It was really fun seeing him up there.
Does it make you nervous?
I'm used to it by now. He's done a lot of shows, but yeah, it's always a little nerve-wracking when he's up there, you know. But I know he's a professional. He's been doing this whole life, so I trust him.
So you grew up around it. I mean, I heard you were set on fire.
Oh yeah, I did. Well, we have a couple of friends in Los Angeles who are also stunt people, and they had this stunt camp, and we started. The whole week was about doing, stunt fights, ratchets. Ratchet is when you get pulled with a line onto a mat or something, flips and all that. And at the end of the week, you could do a fire burn with professionals, of course. You'd put this suit on that is like dipped in gel and slimy goo that's very cold. And when you were done putting on the suit, you're so freezing that you just can't wait for them to set you on fire, you know. But yeah, it was really fun.
That's awesome. So you got a lot of special skills. You got a lot of talent there.
I'm kind of doing acting, and I love doing stunts too. So I'm like in between, but